Selling on eBay Beginner's Guide. Welcome, Miss Sassy Pat. This video is not endorsed or sponsored by eBay, and the opinions expressed are solely my own. I'm here to share my personal experience and thoughts on selling on eBay. Please note that the prices mentioned in this video were accurate at the time of recording and may vary or be different in different regions. Are you interested in starting your own eBay selling journey, transferring your unused or unwanted items into cash? If you're unsure how to begin, don't worry, you've landed in the perfect spot. Welcome to my channel, where we'll dive right into details and help you kickstart your eBay selling adventure. Let's get started. Over the past few years, I've maintained a consistent presence as a seller on eBay. While I'm not raking in thousands of dollars each month, I do manage to earn a few $100s consistently. My monthly income matches what I used to make from a previous part-time job that I decided to leave behind. The flexibility I enjoy on eBay is truly remarkable. I'm able to generate income even while I'm sleeping, working my full-time job, or simply going about my daily life. It has become my side hustle and I absolutely love it. Selling on eBay requires dedicated effort and hard work. It involves more than just listing attractive items that will sell instantly. While there are instances where that might be the case, it is not always guaranteed. If you're not willing to put in the necessary efforts to succeed on eBay, then being a seller on the platform may not be suitable for you. I apologize for being straightforward, but I believe in keeping things honest and realistic. Overview. What should I sell? In this video, I will provide you with an overview of the selling process on eBay and address any questions you may have. If you're interested in a follow-up video on setting up your eBay store, please let me know in the comments section. I'll be more than happy to assist aspiring eBay sellers like yourself. Answer, these are excellent questions. If you're new to selling on eBay, I highly recommend you start by selling items you already have in your home. The reason why to sell items from your home. Zero cost to start selling items from your home. You can see which items sell and which items will take longer to sell. You can determine if selling on eBay is something that you want to do or continue to do. You may not like the time and commitment it takes to sell on eBay. Store plans. Start a store. It's best for sellers who have a handful of products and want a storefront to brand and promote their business. Prices: $7.95 per month. Annually, $59.40, which breaks down to $4.95 per month, up to 250 listings each month. Basic store is for sellers who want lower selling fees. Prices: $27.95 per month. Annually, $263.40, which breaks down to $21.95 per month, up to 1,000 fixed prices, plus up to 250 auction-style listings each month. Please note the prices mentioned in this video were accurate at the time of recording and may vary or be different in different regions. Premium store is for sellers wanting lower listing fees and more business tools. Prices: $74.95 per month. Annually, $899.40, which breaks down to $59.95 each month, up to 10,000 fixed prices, plus up to 500 auction-style listings each month. Anchor store is for high-volume sellers who want lower fees. Price: $349.95 per month. Annually, $3,599.40, which breaks down to $299.95 per month, up to 25,000 fixed prices, plus up to 1,000 auction-style listings each month. Please note the prices mentioned in this video were accurate at the time of recording and may vary or be different in different regions. Enterprise store is for sellers with extensive products listings. Price: $2,995 per month, bill annually. $35,940, up to 100,000 fixed price, plus up to 2,500 auction styles listing each month. Please note the prices mentioned in this video were accurate at the time of recording and may vary or be different in different regions. Subscription plans. You have two choices when it comes to eBay store subscriptions: a monthly payment option with a slightly higher fee, or an annual payment option that offers cost savings. Both plans have their advantages. If you have the financial flexibility to cover the annual fee upfront, I recommend choosing that option. On the other hand, if you are new to selling on eBay, you may want to start with a monthly plan. I have a starter store that I pay monthly for. I will be converting over to an annual plan, which will save me $36 annually. Seller levels. Minimum standards. All sellers are required to maintain the following minimum performance standards for their listings on eBay within their evaluation period. Cases closed without seller resolution, no more than 2 or 0.3 of transactions. Transactions defect rate, no more than 2% of transactions. Top rated, exceeding minimum standard. Above standard, achieving minimum standard. Below standard, not achieving minimum standard. Top rated seller. I work hard to maintain a top rated seller level. Here are some of the benefits. Top rated sellers receive enhanced visibility on eBay, search results, and exclusive sellers protections. Discount on seller fees. Credit towards listing. Here are 7 reasons that I sell on eBay. 1. I am actively seeking to diversify my source of income. 2. I thoroughly enjoy finding great items for other people. 3. I generate income by selling unwanted items from my household. 4. I offer exclusive inventory not easily accessible in certain regions. 5. I love selling vintage and discounted items. 6. I manage and operate my own small business. 7. I advocate for and promote sustainable fashion practices. Show me the money. As soon as a buyer completes the payment for their purchase, you will immediately see the payment reflected in your available funds for payouts. There is no 5-day wait period for a buyer to receive the item to decide if they really want the item or not before you get paid. The benefit: access to a large number of buyers. Sell any kind of items. Selling on eBay is simple. Equipment needed: laptop, workstation, tablet, email account, scale, tape measure, shipping supplies, printer or thermal printer, phone or camera to take pictures. Address options: personal address or P.O. box. That's an excellent question. In the initial years of my eBay selling journey, I utilized my mailing address for shipping purposes. However, more recently, I made the decision to obtain a P.O. box from USPS. The reason behind this choice was to broaden my selling opportunities by incorporating social media advertisement. Having a P.O. box provided an added layer of security and peace of mind for myself. Where do I store my items? To store my items, I rely on containers as an effective solution. Considering the amount of money I make each month, I find it difficult to justify the cost of renting a storage unit. It would eat into a significant portion of my profits. While others may have the luxury of utilizing their garage or basement for storage, I have a small home, which has prompted me to come up with creative solutions to store my inventory. Tip: it is quite common for eBay inventory to gradually occupy your living space, especially if you have limited room available. To tackle this issue, it's crucial to determine the amount of inventory you intend to keep on hand and designate a specific storage area for it. By establishing these boundaries, you can effectively manage your inventory without letting it overtake your living space. Listing schedule. I do not follow a fixed schedule for listing items on eBay. Instead, I aim to do it during daylight hours when the sun is out, as natural lighting is crucial for capturing high-quality photos. Each eBay store comes with a specified monthly listing allowance that does not incur additional fees. For instance, with a starter storefront, you can list up to 250 items per month. However, it's important to note that this does not include the listings carried over from a previous month. Shipping methods. When it comes to shipping, there are various methods available with other shipping services. However, I personally prefer to keep things simple by utilizing eBay shipping services. It offers the advantage of discounted shipping rates and provides a tracking number for each package. Having a reliable way to track packages you sell is crucial. It helps ensure transparency and allow you to address any delivery concerns. I had an instance where a buyer claimed their package was not delivered, but thanks to the tracking information, I was able to provide the exact location where the package had been left. As a seller, it's important to protect yourself. Utilizing tracking information and maintaining proper documentation can help safeguard your interest in the selling process. Who is responsible for lost packages? According to eBay policy, if a package is not received by a buyer, it is the seller's responsibility to provide a refund. In one particular case, I encountered a situation where a package got lost during transit. To avoid any negative impact on my seller rating and the potential for a poor review, I decided to refund the buyer instead. Sometimes it is not worth the fight and the potential consequences to contest such cases, especially when considering the long-term reputation as a seller. Are you ready to sell on eBay? I hope you found this information valuable. When I began my eBay selling journey, I had numerous unanswered questions and struggled to find the answers. While I do not claim to be an expert, I wanted to create this video to share the knowledge I gained through my personal experience selling on eBay. My goal is to assist other new eBay sellers who may be facing similar uncertainties. Thank you for sincerely watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. I will have more videos planned on this topic on selling on eBay, so stay tuned for those as well. Conclusion. I would love to hear from you. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll do my utmost to answer all your inquiries to the best of my abilities. Your feedback and engagement are greatly appreciated. This video is not endorsed or sponsored by eBay, and the opinions expressed are solely my own. I'm here to share my personal experience and thoughts on selling on eBay. Please note that the prices mentioned in this video were accurate at the time of recording and may vary or be different in different regions. Thank you for watching. Miss Sassy Pat.